Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University and UGC Human Resource Development Center conducted online refresher course in human rights and in social inclusion, all disciplines. Myself, Dr. Hansraj Patil, roll number 26, Director of Systel Institute of Management Research, Dhule. My macro teaching topic is preliminary concept of C programming language. A program is a set of instructions that help computer to perform tasks. The language that are used to write program or set of instructions are called programming languages. A programming language is a type of written language that tells computer what to do. Programming languages are broadly categorized into three types: machine level languages, assembly language, and high level language. Machine language is a lowest level programming language. It handles binary data, zeros and ones. It directly interacts with the system. Machine language is difficult for human being to understand as it comprises combination of zeros and ones. Assembly level language is a middle level language. It consists of set of instructions in a specific format called commands. It uses symbol to represent field of instruction. It is very close to machine level language. High level language is English like language. Yeah, it is a user friendly language. High level language uses format or language that is most familiar to user. The instructions in this language are called codes or script. The computer needs a compiler and interpreter to convert high level language program to machine level language. So, assembly language, that is the middle level language, it is the sandwich between machine level language and high level language. History of C programming language. C language is one of the most popular computer language in today's world. That is general purpose, procedural oriented, structured and machine independent programming language. C language was developed by Denny Riches in 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratories at USA. It was developed along with the Unix operating system and is strongly linked with Unix operating system. Algorithmic AMGR was the first language introduced in 1960. Afterward, in 1967, DCPL was introduced by Martin Richard. Then Ken Thompson created by the B language in 1969 from Martin Richards. Basic combined programming language, that is the BCPL. He used assembly language and B to produce the initial version of the Unix operating system. BCPL and B were typeless language in which variables were simply words in memory. Denny Riches of Bell Laboratories later converted B into C by retaining most B syntax in 1972 and wrote the first compiler. C was generally first implemented in DEC's PDP-11 computer, and it was the first used as the system language for rewriting the Unix operating system. The Unix operating system, the compiler, and essential all Unix application programs have been written in C. In 1978, Baron Kurgan and Denny Riches produced the first publicly available description of C, now known as the K&R standard. The American National Standard Institute (ANSI) of C was finally adopted in December 1989. with the first copy becoming available in early 1990. The standard was also adopted by ISO International Standard Organization, and the resulting standard was typically referred to as ANSI ISO Standard C. The next one, application of C language. The development of system software desktop application is mostly accomplished via the use of C programming. Some examples of the C programming application: operating system, C programming language to develop the first operating system, which was Unix. Later on, C programming language was used to write Microsoft Windows, Linux, Apple, and several Android apps. Database. Another application is database. Today's most popular database, RDBMS, MySQL, have been written in C. Next, graphical user interface, GUI. C programming language is used to develop Adobe software program like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and others. Embedded system. Number of embedded devices such as the washing machine, microwaves, tea and coffee maker system are primarily created in the C programming language. Google C, C++. C++ programming language was utilized in the creation of Google Chrome, web browser, and the Google file system. Design a compiler. Many compilers such as C language, Apple C, were developed with the C programming. Mozilla Firefox, Thunderbird were developed in the C++ programming language. The C programming language has been used to create several animated games such as tic-tac-toe, snake game, others. The development of C had impact of number of languages including C++, Java, PHP, Python, others. That is the platform of new programming language. Translator of the high-level languages into machine languages. C language are used to write several computer language interpreters such as Python interpreter, the MATLAB interpreter. Drivers. C programming language is creation driver software such as a printer, scanner, keyboard, mouse driver. Another application is text editor. Number of text editor developing using C programming language. The next one, features of C language. C is the widely used language. It provides many features that are procedure and simple language. In procedural language like the C, step-by-step predefined instruction was carried out. C program may contain more than one function to perform a particular task. C is a simple language in the sense that it provides a structured approach. That is the rich set of library functions data type. C is a machine independent or portable language. That's why C program can be executed on different machines with some machine specific changes. Therefore, C is a machine independent language. It is a middle level language. Middle level language has been combined from both capabilities of low level language features of the high level language. It is used to develop system applications such as kernel driver. C is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into parts using function. So it is easy to understand and modify. Functions also provide code reusability. Rich set of library functions. C provides a lot of built-in functions that make the development fast. Memory management, it supports the features of dynamic memory allocation. In C language, we can free the allocated memory at any time by calling the free function, fast speed and efficient. The compilation and execution time of C language is a fast since there are lesser built-in function and hence the lesser overhead. Pointer. C provides the features of pointer. We can directly interact with the memory by using pointer. We can use pointer, memory, structure, function, array, etc. Recursion. In C, we can call the function with the within function. It provides code reusability for every function. Recursion enables us to use approach of backtracking. Easy to extend. C language is extensible because it can easily adopt new features. So these are the number of features. Some features are explained here. The next concept of C programming. Concept of structured programming. C is called structured programming language because C language divides the whole program into smaller modules called procedure or function, where each function handles specific responsibility. Before we write the first program, let's first all understand basic structure of C program. Every C program consists of one or more section. First one, documentation section, consists of set of command lines given the name of the program, author, creation date, or other details. This to be write in comments line, to be enclosed /* to --/. The comments are not executed by compiler. The link section provides instruction to the compiler and to link function from system library. The hash include is the part of link function. Definition section. It defines all symbolic constant. Hash define allows us to use constants in our code. It replaces all the constant with the value in the code. Global declaration section. These are some variables used in more than function. Such variables are called global variables, and they are declared in global declaration section, that is outside of the function. Main section. In main section has two parts, declaration part and executable part. The declaration part declares all the variables used in the main. Executable part contains the executable statement of C. These two parts must appear between opening and closing braces. Subprogram section consists of all user defined functions that are called in main function. They are placed immediately after the main. Then compilation and execution of C program. The compilation is a process of converting source code into machine code, which is done with the help of compiler. The compiler checks the source code for the systematical or structural errors. And if the source code is error-free, then it generates the machine code. Execution means that machine code is ready for processing. Execution in a computer and software engineering is the process by which computer or virtual machine reads and acts on the instruction of the computer program. Each instruction program is description of particular action which must be carried out in order for a specific problem to be solved. So when a program is compiled, its machine language equivalent is stored on disk and exe file that is extension of .exe. This file is an executable file. If this file is copied to another machine, it can be executed there without recompiling. So machine does not need to have compiler to execute the file. Debugging of C program. Debugging is the process of finding and removing existing and potential errors or bugs in software code that may cause it to behave unexpectedly or rushed. Debugging is used to detect and fix bugs or error to prevent incorrect operation of software or system. Some types of errors are the commonly in any programming language. Syntax error occurs when any syntax errors such as parentheses or semicolons are missed. Apart from this, runtime error are also encountered during the code execution. There are 5 types of errors in C: syntax error, runtime error, logical errors, link errors, semantic errors. Syntax error, link errors, and semantic errors can be identified by the compiler during the compilation. Thank you.